This is about democracy, folks. Remember, we got an election. That's what you do when you have a democracy. You have elections and you have public choice. The way to have a free election is to have the truth come out. The report of the Auditor General on the waste of the G8, G20 summit, it's sitting on Mr. Harper's desk. Let the citizens see it. There's another report coming out with documents on the Afghan detainees. It's available. Let the people see it. Let the people judge. That's how it works in Canada, Mr. Harper. Let the people judge. Yeah. Prescott Russell, nous avons une énorme tradition libérale ici. Monsieur, voilà, ça c'est un exemple de la tradition libérale. Voilà un autre exemple de la tradition libérale. Voilà, et ça c'est le troisième pilier de la...
Oh my God, these birds. I know. This is why my wife starts to get worried.